Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for mobile app design. We will begin by setting up a new design file, choosing an appropriate mobile frame size, and understanding the basic interface. You will learn to create fundamental user interface elements and organize your workspace efficiently. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building any successful mobile application. To start, open Figma and create a brand new design file. Next, select a mobile frame preset from the right sidebar. Popular choices include iPhone 14 or Android Large. This sets your canvas size. Remember to organize your layers and pages clearly from the beginning. A well-structured file makes your design process much smoother and easier to navigate. Now, let's dive into designing user interface elements. Create reusable components for common items like buttons, input fields, and icons. This saves time and ensures consistency. Leverage auto layout to build responsive designs that adapt across different screen sizes. Always apply consistent styling, including colors, typography, and effects, to maintain a cohesive visual language throughout your app. Finally, bring your designs to life with prototyping. Connect your screens to create interactive flows, allowing you to test the user experience. Share your prototypes with stakeholders and team members to gather valuable feedback. Figma's collaborative features make this process seamless. Remember, design is an iterative process, so be prepared to refine your work based on insights and input.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.